September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you, acting like a fool. I'm on the other side, you're like a full moon. And I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned, tables have turned, tables have turned, tables have turned. I used to be chill, now I can't catch my breath. When you say my name, I feel tight in my chest. Can't handle the space, I need you here by my side. You make me sweat in the coldest of nights, yeah. I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you, acting like a fool. I'm on the other side, you're like a full moon. And I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned, tables have turned, tables have turned, tables have turned, feelings all turned upside down. I guess I'm the needy one now. Feelings all turned upside down. I guess I'm the needy one, needy. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you, acting like a fool. I'm on the
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Anower Perves.
What time is it?
11:45.
Hey Google, what's 354 times 11?
354 x 11 is 3,894.
Hey Google, count to 5.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Hey,
14,
Google.
15.
Stop. Hey Google, how many liters are in 4 gallons?
4 US liquid gallons equal 15.142 liters.
Hey Google, how much $100 in taka?
100 United States dollars is approximately 8,379 Bangladeshi takas and 40 paise.
Hey Google, what's the time in London?
The time in London, UK is 5:46 p.m.
Hey Google, how do I make noodles?
Okay, I've got a recipe called Homemade Noodles from China Sichuan Food. This recipe serves 3 and takes about 40 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
Hey Google, stop.
Alright, done.
Hey Google, how do you say hello in Spanish?
Hola.
Hey Google, what is the nearest pizza shop?
I found a few places within 5.9 kilometers. The first one is Pizza Guy at Ahmed Tower, H-No 2830th, floor number 09, Kamal Ataturk Avenue, Dhaka. The second one is
Hey
Pizza
Google.
Inn at house number...
Stop.
Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you